Alright, I'm using this amazing, you lay down and then you relax, reset, para tong sabat So, try natin tong relax. Oh, Winter Wonderland, Mystic River, Treasure of Clown, mamimili ka dyan ng view na gusto mo, hot spring. Siguro gusto ko medyo mainit ngayon sa Texas. Ito naman parang sa Philippines to, ito naman, Snowy Forest River. Try natin itong Snowy Forest. Spring Blue, Canyon River. Ang gaganda nito. White sand, blue water. Beautiful sunset, Golden Mountains Paradise. Subukan natin to. Ayan na po. Ayun, so may music siyang sound. And then, mamimili ka ng yan ang sound, And then, ito naman yung makikita mo view. Naka-relax ka. Ayan po. May hit, my heart, may news. Tingnan natin itong news. Physical and mental fitness. Mamimili ka, white sand. White sand, galing. Ganda. Ito naman, Treasure Mountain. Wow, I like that. Oh, that's a beautiful view there. So next is Tranquil Canyon River. Yan, river naman to. Ito yung pinipindot ko. The spring bloom. So this is a 15 minutes. Iba-ibang view makikita mo. Next, Snowy Mountain. No, Snowy Mountain. Ito naman, Glittering Island. Parang sa Philippines, Paul Forest. Wow, ganda. Batis. Next is Starscapers. Starscapes. Ayan, puro sa bituin. Merong background music hanggat nakikinig ka. Okay to And then Snowbird. Boy, ganda na to. Lamig niyan. Meron yan sa bandang Nevada. Ganyan ang itsura. Next is Planet Earth Wonders. Next is Spring Songbird, mga birds. Ayan. Mamimili ka ng mga gusto. Liwanag po ng screen, napakaliwanag ng screen. Hot Spring. That's Hot Spring. Mainit na rito kaya ayaw na Hot Spring. Classic Relaxation. Snow Glaze. Next is Treasure Ocean. Yan, ganda. Next is Mystic River. Oh, galing. Next is Winter Wonderland. Ta-ta-ra-ra-ran, ta-ta-ra-ra-ran. Walking in the Winter Wonderland. Enchant's Autumn. Ah, ang cute oh. Natutulog si Owl. Wow, grabe. Alright, so those are the... Ito naman yung mga function. Try natin. Ano naman itong fun? Kung may fun nga rito. Low fun. Press stop. Ayun. Ayun, humahangin. So, in other words, pakikinig ka ng mga view, may hangin na pumupunta. Ang ganda. So, yan ang river. So, may fun. Ano naman itong scent? Tingnan natin itong scent. Fresh scent. Spring scent. Ayun. May naamoy naman ng mabango ngayon. Ito, lemon leaf. Ang galing. Oo. O, kita niyo yan. Daming pautot nito, ha. Scent. Ayoko ng heat. Mainit na eh. Yan, may hangin. Galing, oh. Heart. Ano naman yung heart? Place your thumb and finger the red. And then touch the screen until the heart rate is developed. Ah, may heart rate. Tine-check yung heart rate. 30 seconds. Ay, grabe. Ang daming function. Oh, yun. Back. Oh, yun ang mga ano niya. Relax. Ano naman yung reset? Ito naman reset. Introduction meditation.
We'll be talking